How to solve the Bluetooth pairing request fix. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve the Bluetooth pairing request fix on your Android device or iPhone if you're using an iPhone. So the very first step that you should do is go on the setting of your device. After you go on the setting of your device, just tap on the connected devices. You can also go on the connections, which is just right here. If you enable the Bluetooth right here, then it will show you the option of pairing again. So what you need to do is go on connected devices, scroll down and tap on the Bluetooth right here. So don't turn it on if it is already off. So just turn it off and then your problem should be solved just like that. Go back and now power off your phone and again turn it on, and now your problem should be solved. So this is how you can solve your problem. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.